Nutrition just does not mean just verifiable facts. Nutrition is about that which supports your life. So in those terms, the millets have a certain power to support human body in many different ways. Millets have the highest level of protein content among all cereals, and the calcium content, iron content and many micronutrients which you will not find in regular commercial wheat and rice that largely populations are consuming today. So particularly in Karnataka, every home had ragi diets. Ragi mudde is very popular and ragi can be made into so many things. Ragi ambali was a constant thing for children growing up. And ragi dosa, ragi roti, all these are very popular things. Just about anything that you can do with rice, you can also do with ragi. Ragi, a very important cereal of subcontinent. I must tell all of you, the ladies of the world, I must tell you, ragi is the most female-friendly cereal you can consume. This millet is fantastic for women. It has the highest amount of calcium in among all the grains and also very high levels of iron, which is an issue. I still believe home cooking largely is still by women, and they must pick up these cereals and make sure everybody eat this. Not that it's not good for men, it's good for everybody. But I'm saying there are special advantages for a woman because certain lack of nourishment in certain areas of nourishment has been an issue because of single cereal consumption. Ragi can make a tremendous difference. Just about anything that you can do with rice, you can also do with ragi. And ragi can be made into so many things.
As Sadhguru said, ragi or finger millet can be made into many healthy things. Here in this video, we will share a lip-smacking Ragi Laddu recipe from Isha, which is very healthy, highly nutritious and very tasty. Learn how to make tasty Ragi Laddus with this quick and easy recipe from Isha. Ingredients required: Ragi flour 1 cup, half ghee or clarified butter ½ cup, palm sugar or jaggery ½ cup, freshly grated coconut 1/4 cup, black sesame 2 tablespoons, groundnuts 2 tablespoons, almonds 8 to 10 pieces, cardamom powder 1/4 tablespoon. In a shallow pan and with low heat, dry roast black sesame. Remove the skin from groundnuts and in low heat, dry roast groundnuts. Similarly, dry roast fresh grated coconut. Keep them aside to cool. Now add a teaspoon of ghee to the pan and toast the almonds for a minute or two and keep them aside. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee to the pan and then add ragi flour and roast it for 15 to 20 minutes. Add more ghee if needed. Keep stirring the mixture so that it mixes well. Add palm sugar or jaggery and stir it for 2 minutes. Then add the roasted almonds, black sesame, groundnuts, coconut and cardamom powder. Add some more ghee if required. Mix it well. Take this mixture off the heat and let it cool. Apply ghee onto your palms. Take 3 to 4 tablespoons of this mixture and roll it into laddus. Add more ghee if needed to make a firm and round laddu. Your power-packed Ragi Laddu are ready to be consumed. Ragi or finger millet is an important superfood that has numerous benefits. Next time someone says healthy food is boring and bland, share this tasty Ragi Laddu recipe with them.
Well, we've been using millet right from our childhood, but now it's important that we bring it to the entire population, the whole world in some way, because this is very important in terms of large-scale human health, which has become a serious problem.